Welcome to the review channel, guys. Today we're checking out these travel vacuum bags. This product was sent to us in return for our honest review. This kit did come with one small bag, two of the larger bags. It came with an over-the-shoulder handle for the larger bags, the different bits for the vacuum, and it came with this cool little portable vacuum. This is nice because you'll be able to throw it in your suitcase or your travel bag, and then when you get where you're going, you can vacuum up your clothes after your trip and then have them nice and compressed on your way home as well as on the way there. So I have some sweatshirts here. I'm going to put them in the smaller bag and see how many I can fit in there, and then we'll vacuum it up. So this opening was a little small for the sweatshirts. I'm going to try some smaller shirts in here, but I did get them in the bigger bag, and I got 4 in here with a lot of room to spare. I could probably get, I'm thinking 4 more sweatshirts in this bag. But I'm going to vacuum it like this and see how small it gets. You just slide one of the tips on. It fits in the hole, and then you double click the button and it starts vacuuming. So not only did that compress them down to about half the size, but also now they're nice and sealed up. So if anything gets spilled on my suitcase, I don't have to worry about these getting wet or damaged or smells getting on them. It's going to work really good for traveling. I definitely like these. All right, so I put 5 t-shirts in this little bag, and now I'm going to vacuum it out and see how small it gets. Again, it sucked all the air out of the bag. It really compressed it down. And now I can just throw this in my suitcase, and all of those t-shirts will take up a little less space and be a little more protected. And then on the way home, that thing fits right in the bag, and I can vacuum them again and get them sealed up. It also has on this end a little light if you need it when you're camping or just in general if you're traveling and you need a little flashlight. The material these are made out of feels pretty durable. It's fairly thick, and the zippers, it's a hand zipper, but it's got this really nice handle, and it's like this thick rubber seal on it. And then when you close the zipper, it seals into there to make it airtight. Pretty good. I like it.